In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to use the Task Dashboard in Legalboards. The Task Dashboard gives you one place to review work across your account, instead of opening each matter or board one by one. To get started, go to the left side menu and click the Tasks icon. Your tasks are organized by status, so you can quickly see what needs attention. Each task card shows the task title, the related matter, the due date, and the person assigned. That gives you a clear picture of your team's workload at a glance. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see View and Filter options. Click Filter to narrow down what appears on screen. For example, you can filter by team member, by board, or by due date. If the dashboard looks empty or a task seems missing, check the filters first. The Advanced Filter panel lets you search by keyword, date, assignee, reporter, status, card type, or board. Click Clear All Filters to return to the full task view. Task statuses are fully customizable. Keep them practical, like pending, in progress, and review, or very specific, like waiting for client's signature. Just type the name and click Add List. Use this page as a daily check-in to review what is pending, what needs attention, what is delayed, and what's already done. Use it daily, keep it clean, and let the dashboard do what dashboards were born to do. Show you what is happening before chaos starts sending calendar invites.